Hi, I wanted to go over the syllabus for this class, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the syllabus here. And let me make this a little bit larger. Okay. So, Math 120, Fundamentals of College Math, sections 1007 and 1008. My name is Jeff Downs, email address jeffrey.downs@wnc.edu. My homepage is www.wnc.edu/Downs, although really all the information that's there is also within the Canvas page. So now I have two offices, one in Fallon, that's in the Opinion Building, and one in Aspen for the Carson campus, Aspen 231. So in Fallon, my office number is 423-8330, extension 2251. In Carson, my office number is 445-4294. I don't have the voicemail set up for Carson yet, so I'm not sure when that'll happen. But there's also my cell phone number, 775-762-4837, so feel free to contact me on that number. Office hours are going to be Monday, 12:30 to 1:15. That's going to be in Carson. And Tuesday and Thursday is going to be 12:15 to 4:25, and that's in Fallon. Okay, prerequisites, Math 96 or Math 95 with a grade of B- or better or equivalent. This course offers a course in real numbers, consumer mathematics, variation, functions, relations and graphs, geometry or measurement, probability and statistics, sets and logic. This course is broad in scope and emphasizes applications. Topics will include probability, statistics, business, finance, and consumer mathematics. Areas 1 and 2 make up approximately 2/3 of the course. It's probability, statistics, and business, finance, consumer mathematics. And then logic and sets makes up the remainder of the course. The course is worth 3 credits, transferability within Nevada. This course is designed to apply toward a WNC degree and or transfer to other schools within the Nevada system of higher education. Depending on the degree chosen and other courses completed, it may transfer to colleges and universities outside Nevada. For information about how this course can transfer and apply to your program of study, please contact a counselor. The linkage to college mission is to provide instruction that contributes to a student's ability to think critically and solve problems, to reason mathematically and apply computational skills. For the book for this class, we use A Survey of Mathematics with Applications, Math Edition, by Angel Abbott and Rund. You have 2 choices. You can do the book with My Math Lab, or you can do the My Math Lab only. But you will be doing your homework and exams in My Math Lab. So those are the 2 options. There is an online book in My Math Lab, so if you just want to get the access and use the ebook, you can do that. Supplies, you need a textbook, either paper or online version. Calculator, TI 83, 84, or 89, very helpful. I like to use the 89. Also, the TI 30X2S is very helpful. It'll do all the math we're going to do in this class. It's a really good calculator, and it costs, it depends on if it's on sale or not, between $5 and $15, roughly. I mean, not going to guarantee that price. Grading scale, A, B, C, D, F is pretty standard. A, 90 to 100, B, 80 to 89, C, 70 to 79, D, 60 to 69, and below 60 is an F. So the breakdown, there'll be 1 midterm at 200 points, 10 quizzes, really 11 quizzes, but the top 10 quizzes count toward the grade. That's 100 points, 10 times 10. 4 chapters at 50 points each, so that's 200 points for homework. Discussions, you have to do at least 10 discussion postings. You could do more, but 10 substantive discussion postings at 10 points each for 100 points. And 1 final exam for 200 points, or a total of 800 points. There'll be a midterm on it's due October 14th, 2014, so you'll do that in My Math Lab. It'll cover chapters 11 and 12, and they'll make up for a missed exam. Like I said, there'll be 11 quizzes. The top 10 quizzes will be counted for the grade. Each quiz is worth 10 points toward the grade. If a quiz is missed, it'll receive a score of 0. There'll be 28 assignments over 4 chapters. Each chapter is worth 50 points. Homework will be completed through My Math Lab, and to access this site, and go to, and there's the email or the web address, just type in mymathlab.com, works as well. And the course ID is Downs 85193. and I don't want any late work. Okay, discussions. You must provide at least 10 postings. And this is the part that kills students. It's like they get to the end, they've done 5 postings, and they're like, well, why is my grade so much lower? Well, because you only did 5 out of the 10 postings. And it's an easy way to get points there. At least 10 postings in the discussion board. The postings must be substantive and not simply say, I agree, or I disagree. You can either ask a question from our material, or you can answer a question. And your first posting should be an introduction about yourself. And hopefully everyone received an email from the college about that. I just sent one out through the college enrollment system. So if you were enrolled as of this evening, you should have gotten, when I made this video, you should have gotten that email. Final exam. The final exam is due on December 9th, 2014. You will complete the final exam in my math lab. The final exam will cover chapters 13 and 3. Attendance. No attendance is required for this course. Keeping pace with the schedule is required. A discussion grade is determined by the number of substantive posts on the discussion board and Canvas. I will be checking posts in introduction, homework discussions, and math jokes. Okay, no cheating of any kind will be tolerated. Any student caught cheating, attempting to cheat, or assisting in the cheating of another student will be expelled from the class with a failing grade. Early alert, please note that in an effort to help students successfully complete their courses, the counseling office on campus will ask faculty for names of students they feel may be in need of additional assistance. The counselor may contact you to offer some ideas. Grade appeals can be made to the director, Scott Morrison, at scott.morrison@wnc.edu. Disability statement. If you have a disability for which you will need to request accommodations, please contact Susan Trist, the coordinator for disability support services, at 775-445-3268, or susan.trist@wnc.edu as soon as possible to arrange for appropriate accommodations. Here are the important dates. Class begins. So these are all fall 2014 dates. Here are the quizzes 1 through 11 and the topics that they cover. And here's our tentative schedule. So try to keep on pace with the schedule. If something changes, we'll talk about that. And our final exam on the 9th. Okay, hope that answers any questions, and let me know if you have any more questions. Thank you.